We there for government because of una wey be the youths of Edo State, and una get special place for our hearts and for our reforms agenda. And I promise una say we as a government go continue to dey work with una to better Edo State. Obaseki give Edo State youths this assurance when they make him and the wife Betty Obaseki grand patron and matron of the National Youth Council of Nigeria Edo State chapter for Youth House for Benin City, Edo State. Obaseki come talk say this na the first time they join youths they celebrate the International Youth Day and come and show them say this year own go different. He comes to talk say the youth na priority for administration, that now why in government they prepare and give youth power to take charge of tomorrow. The governor come talk say the administration go continue to work with young people to create jobs and continue to invest for human capacity and technology sake of say na there the world they go now. A constant talk say them go draw body near the youth council so them go fit work together to design programs where go help the youth fit take over.
We're doing things for you. People are fighting us because of what we're doing for you. And you are not seeing it to defend. So it's not about Obaseki. They want Obaseki out. Many people don't like him. They hate him. They preach all sorts of evil things about him. Why are they doing so? Because he is taking this money. He wants to use it for you. And so if you don't support what we're doing, these people who have seen us in this state over the years, who have benefited from us being here, they will then have an upper hand. Do you want them to have an upper hand? So we must bring you closer to see this government is for you. You guys came out to vote for us. You supported me. I have a responsibility to make sure. I want to thank you for this honor you have done. I am officially now your patron. So I must take care of you. And this is not about politics. It's about development.
Obaseki constitute mouth for the Youth Council election wey them do, say make them not vex for wetin happen for the Youth Council election as that election hold without him approval and knowledge, and saying Deputy Governor Shaibu manipulate the election sake of say him be won't use them take fulfilling political goals, and say from today them go they get independent and transparent election.
I want to apologize to you for the unfortunate incident that happened with the Youth Council election. It was done without my authorization or knowledge. As you can see now, the reason why my deputy governor manipulated your elections is because he had ambitions. And he thought he could control the council and use the council to achieve his political goals, which is really selfish and unfortunate. So I apologize. And you can see them on television with the former commissioner for youths. You understand? And you see what they are doing. You see, time has now caught up with them. That was their intention. And they thought they could use you and manipulate your platform. So I'm really sorry about what happened. Going forward, you will have an independent, well-organized and well-governed youth council. And I will always be there as your patron to look after your back.
Edo State First Lady Betty Obaseki can't give accolades to the youth and say that the youths them they look up to. That's now why they put body for their matter and life and say them they gidigba to support them.
That is the reason why we are getting involved in your affairs and in your life. And we are here to support you, the governor and I, because we are expecting great things from you, our youth of these days. We are expecting great and marvelous things from you. And we are confident that you will not disappoint us. And we are expecting that it is from Edo State that the light will shine the brightest across Nigeria to teach and show the rest of the Nigerian youth the way to go, the way to growth, development, capacity building of our youth, the development of virile, bright, dynamic, enlightened, capable, and strong youth force.
From Benin City, A. Carter Ojesole, TMC TV News.